In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. Then launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!